Look at that. This is my chorizo and potato guisada. All right. Got the fire side here, the cool side here. Obviously this is gonna get really hot, so I'm gonna keep it over here. I've got potatoes, got some onion. Let's throw some chorizo in here. Chorizo, potatoes, onion. I'm gonna do a little sauce with it, have some tortillas. It's gonna be ridiculous. I'm so excited. So now we're gonna char up some tomatoes, poblano, onion, make a beautiful salsa to cook our chorizo and potatoes. You ain't cooking unless there's casualties. Poblano, onion.
I think you meant tomatoes.
Tomate.
Only
Chicken bouillon, because come on, get real. Throw some water in there to make sure this actually mixes. The sauce goes in, nice and covered. Bro, look at that. All right, let's let it thicken up a little bit. My mouth's so damn bad. It looks so good. Bro, come on. How stupid easy this was to make. I need to do this like weekly. This is dumb. And it'll last forever. Throw some eggs in here too, do it in the morning. Sweet brother. Look at that. This screams breakfast.